Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to clear shared content on YouTube Kids application. If you are using the approved content only mode in the YouTube Kids and want to remove videos you previously shared, follow these steps. Launch open the YouTube Kids application and from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner, solve a simple math problem or enter your parental code in order to open up the settings menu. Now from the settings menu, tap on your kid's profile from the list under My Kids and enter your Google account's password. Now that you've done that, you will end up in this page. Scroll all the way down from the My Kids page and then tap on Clear Shared. Click on the Clear Shared button once again and your child may no longer have access to videos and channels that you've shared. And right after you do that, all the shared content will be unshared. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more YouTube Kids tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.